Welcome back to Metal Chopping Block. I'm Sam.
I'm Nick.
And Nick, a couple tall boys, a couple shots, some wings, food. What we got going on here today?
We're gonna do some, actually a pretty cool recipe that we're gonna have today. It's gonna be a metal chopping block pickle barrel chicken wings with Mr. G's infinite
Heat wave.
dill pickle dip. It's gonna be friggin' awesome. You always have that jar of pickle juice that just sits in your fridge empty forever, or you dump it.
Yeah.
And now you can use it as a marinade.
Wow.
And it's, I'm telling you, I tried it once. I haven't done to the extent, but I already tried this once. It tastes fantastic. Now you can do it with chicken thighs, whole chicken. You can do it with whatever, but with these wings, we're gonna try it with the ribs one time too.
Okay.
It's gonna be awesome.
So don't throw out your pickle juice.
Use it, recycle.
Yes.
We're good to go, all right? Good for the environment. We're using it all.
All right, Nick. Well, to begin the episode. Oh, by the way, we have a fantastic episode. We have, and maybe you can elaborate with Giuseppe and the Gorilla Wizard.
Oh yeah, we're gonna be using their hot sauce, the heat wave one that you said is gonna be fantastic.
Yeah.
So all the hot sauces that we're gonna be using from now on, anytime they call for anything or we come up with one, it's all gonna be this hot sauce is
Mr.
fantastic.
G's infamous hot sauce.
And today we're using the heat wave.
Yeah, and we got the Gorilla Wizard logo on there too. So Nick, what's going on with these tall boys and these shots?
So today we're gonna do a really cool drink. It's called the Tequila Submarine. So what's really interesting about this is, you see the upside down shot glass. So we pour some tequila into the shot glass.
Okay.
We'll show it better when we make the drink.
Yeah.
Goes in upside down.
All right.
So now that gets filled with tequila. We pour the beer in.
This beer?
They say a Mexican beer to go with the tequila.
Oh, jeez.
And then every time you take a sip, you see how the shot glass tips,
Yeah.
lets out a little bit of tequila, and you get tequila infused with your beer.
Doesn't come out all at once?
It's friggin' awesome. No, that's the nice thing about it.
Interesting.
You do a Boilermaker, just put it in and dump it, but if you want to just enjoy it every time, then you have a nice little drink. It's gonna be awesome.
Nick's going to show you how to do that one. I'm looking forward to that. Excellent.
So we got the fire going in the barbecue, getting nice and hot. Let's, our first
start
step.
off this episode.
Yes.
We've got an excellent episode for you this week. We are showing some awesome metal bands. Up the irons.
Sempre duro. Let's get to it. Andiamo. All right, we're back. 4 takes later and 4 shots later, we're catching a bit of a buzz already, so it's going to be an interesting episode, Sammy. Okay, so our step, these beautiful wings have been marinating for 3 hours in the fridge. You can do them for 2 to 3 hours, longer if you want. It all depends how intense you want the flavor, but 2 to 3 hours is pretty good. So what we're going to do now is we're going to remove them from the bag. We're going to pat them all fairly dry, put them in, lightly season them, and get them on the fire. So we patted down all the wings. I've lightly salted them. I'm gonna lightly season them with this barbecue chicken seasoning. You use whatever you like, make your own, whatever you prefer. But you wanna do it kind of light because you really wanna taste the dill flavor in it. So you season the one side, flip them over, season the other side, and we're gonna put them on the flame. All right, so we got the grill very hot. We're at almost 600 degrees, so it's hot as hell. We're gonna just turn it down, so we'll dial it down a little bit. I'm gonna throw some mesquite wood in a wood box, just to give it a light smoke flavor. Again, this is not something you need to do or you have to do. When I do burgers, steaks, or even wings, I always add a little bit of wood to it. So we're gonna stick the smoke box off to the side. And once it starts smoking and I can smell the mesquite, we'll put the wings on. All right, I can start smelling that beautiful flavor. We're gonna start putting the wings on right now. So now we're gonna do this beautiful dip. Mr. G's Infinite Heatwave Creamy Dill Dip. This is gonna be fantastic. And of course, the only hot sauce you wanna use is Mr. G's Infinite Heatwave Hot Sauce. It's fantastic. So we're gonna taste the Heatwave hot sauce before it goes into the dip. Scorpion peppers.
It's got some very interesting flavors.
Wow, this is really, really good.
Yeah,
really good.
I'm gonna wait till we get some food on that.
Oh, woo!
Then we'll give it the right taste test.
Third cup of pickle juice. 1 tablespoon of dill. Half cup of mayo. Half cup of sour cream. And Mr. G's Infinite Heatwave Sauce to taste. More the merrier. Whew. I'm gonna guess a 3 to 4.
So not too hot then.
No, I think it's gonna have a nice.
You don't want to take away the taste
no,
of the dill, right?
You want to have it a very light heat.
Yeah.
So
so it stays in your mouth.
So you can taste the dill, you can taste the flavors, but you feel a nice.
Yeah, so your mouth is going like that.
A nice heat. You don't want it to be overpowering, and that's all you have.
That's true. Although I do like that too.
Well, again, when it comes to spiciness.
To run to the hills.
Run to the hills, run to the toilet. When it comes to spicy, it's a preference thing. Yeah. Everybody's tolerance is different. Like again, his tolerance is here, mine is about here.
We know Nick's face if it's too hot.
Yeah, my God.
He goes, I'm out.
Yeah. I love spice, but yeah, I can only handle so much. So
we're gonna give this a little taste. See where we're at.
Oh.
Very, very interesting. Eh?
Oh my God.
Very flavorful.
Oh man.
Delicious. This is not going to, I think, scare anybody off. But the flavor,
good?
Now it's like settling into this. Very nice.
That is really, oh man, that's good.
Oh, that's flavorful.
Once we dip the wings in this. All right, so the wings are smelling and looking fantastic. Sammy, you snuck a little taste of the skin. And what do you think?
Tasty, brother.
It's killer, man. And the dip, bellissimo. So now for the final part of our meal today is we're gonna do the Tequila Submarine. This is pretty cool, Sammy. So all you're gonna need for this is some tequila, a Mexican-based beer, shot glass, a mug, or a glass, and that's it. So what we're gonna do first is we pour a shot of tequila. Now this is the tricky part. I made this a long time ago, and it took me a couple tries. But so when you have your shot, you have your glass, you turn your glass upside down, and obviously you don't want to use a super long glass where you got long fingers. So now we've got this, and we turn it upside down. So as you can see, the tequila stays in the shot glass. Sempre duro, just drink it like normal.
Holy big gulp there. So as you tip the glass, it releases a bit of tequila.
Yeah, every time you tip, and especially as you start getting lower and you tip the glass more, it starts releasing more tequila.
Oh. You get a self a bit?
Oh, that big bowl. Oh. Very nice.
Tasty. Add something to the beer for sure. To my face.
Let's go check on those wings. As always, it's smelling fantastic. So the wood chunks that I have in there, the mesquite, is just starting to just lightly smoke the wings to add a little smoky flavor. And Sammy, how's that smell?
Fantastic.
And now, oh, look at the beautiful smoke coming out. Look at these beautiful juicy wings. They're ready to rock and roll. Look at that.
Well, Nick, it's always a buzz having a few drinks, getting together with my friend, Nick.
So the secret to this is you really got to tip it.
You really got to tip it. You got to take a good swig.
Let's tip. Oh, did you hear that?
Did you hear mine?
Yeah, boop, boop, boop. Boop.
That is fun.
It's nice, right?
That's nice, brother. Wow.
So what we're gonna do is
This is not just a cooking show. This is an educational show, in case you guys haven't figured that one out.
for how to drink and stuff, right? So we're gonna try the wings. Smell fantastic. We'll try them without the dip first, so we can see the flavor on the wing itself, and then we'll try it with the dip.
And then we're gonna try it with the hot sauce.
And then yeah, we can add more or less. Again, when it comes to the spiciness part, it's a preference. You add as much or as little as you need to add. But again, as always, too much talking, a little more eating. So, Sempre Duro.
Up the irons. Oh, on its own. Okay, there we go. Okay. Already, like the mesquite. It's there.
It's like a bag of dill pickle chips. It's like a very mild. Oh my god.
It's mild. It's mild. It's not overpowering, eh? It's good though. It's there.
You don't want it overpowering.
Oh yeah.
But you know you're eating something that has pickle in it.
Oh my god, it's so tasty.
And they're very, very tender.
Don't throw out your pickle juice. Or your hot pepper juice or any type of juice.
Yeah, keep it and use it for. Oh my god, it's good. Fantastic.
Delicious.
So now,
There we go.
clean this up.
Clean it up.
Now you're getting out.
Oh, it's strong. Woo!
All right.
Wow.
Clean this up with a little bit of veggies.
We'll take a little celery stick there. Let's try this dip.
The dip is nice, huh? I'm double dipping, so sorry.
Very good. Oh, what a fantastic flavor. Oh, Mr. G. Sauce just kicked in there.
It's a creeper.
But it's not, because we use like half a cup of mayo, half a cup of sour
It's
cream.
not crazy spicy. It's great for just a nice flavorful, just a nice heat.
Beautiful.
So now we're gonna try a wing with this dip because it's gonna change the whole flavor of this wing.
Are we just going to stick with these drumsticks?
You can stick with whatever part you like. I like it.
We're going to get it right in there. At the irons.
Sempre Duro. Oh. Holy shit.
Oh yeah. Much better with the sauce. Oh my god.
Huh?
That was good. Oh. Oh, that just took it up like 10 notches. Not 10, but I mean, it took it up.
It's a whole different,
Oh yeah. Oh,
different
that's so,
ballgame, right?
so tasty.
Like it's really good without it, but oh my god, it took it to another. Add some pickle.
I'm gonna go for a carrot this time.
Well, again, like we always say, you got to try this. It's fantastic. Really, really good. It's a really good spin. It's a different type of wing. Has a different flavor. I've not had anything like this before.
Very different. Very flavorful. Well,
Now, did you want to add some more stuff? To me, it's perfect the way it is.
Well, I want to get a true sense of this just on its own. So Nick,
Okay.
we're gonna try a wing
Oh my God, hang on, let me finish this. This is so good.
with a little bit of Mr. G's hot sauce. Just get a little. Woo!
All right,
Okay, look at that, eh?
all right, give me a little.
I mean, give you a little bit. Ooh, yeah. Oh, look at that one. Oh, okay.
Sorry, Bruno. My boy's drooling, but Mr. G's is no good for puppies. Holy shit, that's good.
Fantastic. Our audience out there, if you want a nice, different, excellent hot sauce, we recommend Mr. G's infamous hot sauce. Fantastic. And
He
got
has
a whole bunch
yeah,
of
a whole
different-
bunch. Yeah. Today we're using Heat Wave.
Heat wave!
We used the the Blood of Mankind on the lamb. The next one we're gonna do with his sauce, we're gonna do Unleashing the East spare ribs with the cauldron concoction. So look, stay tuned for
Just
that.
the names itself got me excited.
And anything else you want to say before we? Because I want to eat. I'm hungry and I'm thirsty.
Well, thank you very much to all our subscribers and our audience for watching, tuning in. We hope you enjoyed our show. We look forward to putting out great episodes for you. Stay tuned. We got a website coming. We got merch.
That's right.
A lot of cool stuff happening. This year we're breaking out. Things are happening. We're having a good time. From Nick and myself, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
With Mr. G's infinite.
Heat wave! Or just, there you go.
Okay, we recording?
Hey, good to see you.
You know
the-
Hey, look how fucking beautiful his hair is.
Don't mess it. Don't mess it. Don't mess it.
Beautiful.
Welcome back to Metal Chopping Block. I'm Sam.
I'm Nick, and that's Frank. Yes, bud. So today we're gonna do metal chopping block, pickle barrel chicken wings with Mr. G's.
Wait.
Whoa, you're too fast.
I came in too soon.